Hello, welcome to another video from Videx. In this one we're going to show you how to program a keypad. This video covers the 800 series keypad and also the 4800 because the programming is exactly the same. We're now going to follow the programming flowchart. First we need to enter the engineer's code. So the first time it's 6 ones and then enter. Now the programming red light is on. So the next stage is confirm or change the engineer's code. Let's keep that at 6 ones. And then press enter. Now enter access 1 code. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4 and then press enter. Now we do the time for that code. So let's choose 5 seconds. And then enter. The next stage would be to enter the access code for the second relay, access code 2, and then the access 2 time, and so on. But if you just want to bypass that for a 1 code, press enter twice. You can see the program light has gone out. This is now ready to use. 1, 2, 3, 4, press enter, and the green light came on. That's all done. Thanks for watching. Please click on like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other videos we have on our YouTube channel.